This is the Beyond Breeze space heater. Let's open it up with the user manual. There it is. Looks like a nice machine. It oscillates, I believe. Plug it in and test it out. Okay, I've plugged in the space heater. Right now it's in the off position. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. That's just fan mode, oscillating fan mode. I want to turn the heat on. You feel it getting warm already. This knob controls your temperature, how hot you want it. I'm going to turn it up to high heat. Feels warm, pretty quiet, oscillates. If you don't want it to oscillate, you can turn it this way and it'll stay still. It's getting really warm already. This is a nice space heater for your office, your bedroom. It can heat up a small room that's cold. It works really nice. Beyond Breeze space heater.